Hello again, everybody. So, today is my last day of not at work kasi nag-take a day off ako or kumuha ako ng sick leave para magagawa ko yung dapat kong gagawin, of which mga doctor's appointment, mga medical or dentist or all those things that I need to do na hindi ko magagawa dahil I work every day. Lahat naman tayo, nagtatrabaho tayo, we work. So, since I have a lot of sick leave, I decided to use it. So, kasi sayang din naman. So, anyway, I'm gonna just tell you a little bit about myself. So, hindi sa ibig sabihin na palagi akong sumasayaw, palagi akong kumakain, I eat all the time, I dance all the time, make up just so confident to myself, which is actually, I am confident to myself. Doesn't mean my life is perfect. Who has a perfect life? Raise your hands. Wala naman talagang perfecto na buhay. So, since I'm one of the vlogger, hindi naman ako popular, but I have follower too that probably wondering how I feel deep inside, or talagang masaya ba ako? Kasi I know some of you guys always think that magkakagiti ako, pero malungkot yung nakikita nila sa akin. But literally, I am not malungkot. Ganito lang talaga yung mukha ko. Paghayaan niyo lang yung mukha ko. So, no, anyway, I just want to clarify many things in my life. Okay? So, I've been through a lot of things. Hindi ko na lang sabihin kung ano yung nadaanan ko kasi lahat naman tayo may dinadaanan sa buhay. Diba? So, it's a matter of how you adapt or face those trials na dumarating sa buhay at darating sa buhay. So, kasama doon ang pagdadasal. Siyempre, ang ugali ko naman, they probably think that I am a very, very nice person, of which I am, because kung ano yung nakikita nyo sa akin, ito na talaga yun. But it doesn't mean na palagi na lang akong nakangiti, naging kind, naging mabait. There are times na mayroon din akong galit. I also get mad because I'm a person, I'm a human being, I'm alive. Hindi naman pwede na palagi ka na lang masaya. But it doesn't mean that palagi ka na lang hindi na nalulungkot, wala kang ibang mga feelings sa buhay, kasi that's part of our life, di ba? It's okay to have different feelings. It's a matter of how you handle those feelings, okay? It's okay to have trials. It's okay to be happy. It's okay to be successful. It's also okay to be not successful, because if you are not successful as of yet, that's the time that you are going to strive high and challenge yourself to reach what you dream is all about and not give up. So, sa akin naman kasi, for me, giving up, it's like you lose it before you even try it. Habang we have life, we are breathing, we can walk, we can talk, we can do all these things in our life, we still have a chance to do the best of our life. Okay? So, yes, we work. We are going to work as part of that. That's our responsibility. That's our responsibility to help people, to help your family, to be productive. This is what God said, diba? Sabi ni God na kikilos ka at tutulungan kita. Magnanak ka sa door at bubuksan kita. Magkukuha. Kung uhaw ka, bibigyan kita ng tubig. But you have to work for all of those things. Hindi lang nakanganga ka lang dyan at nakahintay ka lang na may darating sa'yo. No? Lahat, kahit yung mga mayayaman, whatever they do, it doesn't mean na naging mayaman na sila, ganito yung kotse nila. They work so hard for that. Okay? Hindi sila nakikialam sa mga sinasabi sa mga tao. They just work for it. So, yun naman hindi pa nakakaangat sa buhay. Huwag naman kayo magbabash. Huwag kayong mag-judge sa mga tao. Kesyo, ganito, ganyan. Kasi, yung mga tao naman nakaangat, they are not obligated to help anyone. Hindi sila obligado na magtumutulong sa iba, di ba? They work for it. It's up to them. Hindi tayo obligado magtutumutulong tayo sa pamilya. Hindi tayo obligado na ito gagawin mo, iyan gagawin mo. It's up to you. It's from your heart. Kung gusto mo talaga tutulong, it's from your heart. Kung tutulong ka naman at nagagalit ka, wag na lang. Okay? At sa akin naman, kapag tinutulungan ka rin naman, do something na rewarding or makamotivate din sa tumutulong. Hindi lang natutulong ka lang kasi you're gaining something from it. Diba? Ganun lang yun. Support each other. So anyway, forget about those things. nawala tayo sa topic. So, the reason talaga na I wanna speak up here because I just wanna clarify that I am a happy person. What you see is what you get. Okay? Ako ay maldita din. Dire-diretso ako magsalita. I am very straightforward person. Whether you like it or not, sasabihin ko talaga sa'yo. Whether nakakabuti sa'yo or not, but if it's not how I feel about it, if it's triggering, if it's something that I hold on to it for a while, I have to let it out and I have to let you know. Kasi for me, kung hindi ko sasabihin yung dapat kong sasabihin, lalala yun. It's not fair for me na too late na kapag sabihin ko yun para sa'yo. So, all out there, if somebody is caring, if somebody, sa akin naman kasi, if you care for someone, you're there for somebody. Whether pagalitan mo, i-motivate mo, pagsalitaan mo siya, or all that stuff, because they love you. Mahal ka nila eh. Kasi kapag ako ang nagmamahal, if I love somebody that I don't really care, no, take it back. If I don't really care to a person that I don't really like, I don't really love the person, I don't care about you. I don't care what you do. I'm not gonna say anything about you. I'm not gonna waste my saliva. I'm not gonna waste my time to spend it with you or to you kasi I don't really care about you. See? If I care about you, I'm there for you. I'm there for you sa kahirapan. I'm there for you sa successful mong buhay. I'm there for you because you needed me physically. Tutulong ako physically, emotionally, even financially. But those things, if you broke that apart, talagang mawawala yan. I will take it back. Okay? Kasi sa akin naman kasi, if you think you know better, that means you do not need my help. You can just fly out there and soar up in the sky, soaring up in the sky and let your wings up high. Yun lang. So, I'm just gonna be here to sit back and do my thing. My life not gonna stop because of trials or challenges that I have. I'm gonna continue living my life because I can't love anybody if I don't love myself. So, I prioritize myself more than anything else. Yun lang talaga. Tapos na yung mga, as a mom, tapos na yung mga obligation ko na, hindi na tapos kasi being a mother is not gonna stop. But, your obligation to raise your kids, I'm done with that. You know, you guys all have your feet and your legs and responsibility and all of the stuff. As I said, you can soar up high with your own wings to fly. So, yun lang talaga. I just want you guys to know that I am okay. I have no hurt feelings. Kung meron akong mga disappointment, I will tell you. Lahat ng mundo ay malalaman nila kasi kapag nagagalit ako or I am disappointed, I'm not gonna keep it as a secret. I have an open book. I decided myself to have an open book kasi I rather them know from me than from somebody else. Kasi kapag nalalaman sa iba kasi, marami na yung mga dagdag sa salita, sa storya, kukunan yung kunting storya, so iba-iba na yung storya. So for me kasi, if it's from me, it's from me. Galing sa akin yan. Whether it is true or not, if it's a prank, you got prank. Or if it's just a prank, it's from me. Ako ang nagsasalita. Ako ang nagbibitaw ng salita. So, ganun lang ako. So, I try to mind my own business. I don't have a lot of best friends. I don't think I have best friend in the Philippines. Shout out sa mga best friend ko sa Pilipinas. Talaga, few best friend. Lilith, Inday, at saka si Bilin, yun ang mga best friend ko talaga since then. Mabait sila sa akin. Never na nag-aaway kami. Never na nagja-judge sila sa akin. We never judge each other. Oral mistakes and everything. We just support each other. Even though we're far from each other, but I always pray for them and they're always in my heart and my mind. So yun lang talaga, hindi ko talaga sila maiiwan. Totoo mga kaibigan, you always have best friends. But it doesn't mean that your best friends around you. I have friends, I have all this family, but I never really connect, to hang out so much because I don't have to. I don't want to be bothered with anybody. If it's a reason that I do. From my heart, I do hang out, but it's not like I rely on best friends or friends to hang out with. So kasi I rather have my peace of mind here with me. Ganun lang talaga. But I am a very friendly person and I'm kind. So, hindi ko sinabi ito just because nagpapaano ako papasikat, but it's the truth. So thank you for watching, and I hope these are things that clear up your